Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki eVITARA. In this video I'll show you how to connect CarPlay. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Settings, Network, Connected Device List and search for device. Now on your smartphone go to Bluetooth Settings, and select your smartphone from the list. Confirm pairing on the screen display and the smartphone, and now Allow, and select Allow when CarPlay appears. Confirm, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.